Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am here with another video for you today. It's so exciting. As you can probably tell from the title of this video, I am showing you a room tour. This has been highly requested from you guys and I'm so excited to finally be doing it. So this is my room at home since I've moved back into my house for the next 5 months. If you want to see some other tours on my channel, I have 2 dorm tours from my freshman year and sophomore year. I will leave those in the description box if you want to see what my dorms have looked like for the past 2 years. And yeah, I decided just to do this video, and if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, I'm just doing this video as like a little bit of a vlog style because personally that's how I like watching tour videos, and I feel like we're all friends here at this point, so it's kind of casual and cozy. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing you what's in my room. If you guys have any questions on anything, I will try my best to answer it. I will say a lot of these pieces were from my decorator, so I don't know specifically where they are from, but I will do my best to either try and find similar things, answer any questions you have, and then of course tell you guys where the things are that I do know where we got them from. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So right when you walk in, you have my bed and my nightstand. So starting off with the nightstand, this was a piece that my decorator picked out, so I don't know exactly where it's from. I love this top. It's sort of like a marble material, and then it has some great storage with these 3 different drawers, and this is just where I keep like my books, some notebooks, things that I use on the daily and usually at night. And then I also love the top because it opens up and you can keep your coffee or your tea or just some water on top. I think this is a great little detail. On top of my nightstand, I have this gold dish, which we purchased from Michael's. We were on a hunt for just a nice, delicate dish to match the aesthetic of my room, and I like how minimalistic my nightstand is. And then next to that, I have my lamp, which is also from, I think it's Home Goods. Again, I love how simple this is. Now moving on to my bed, this is kind of where I get a lot of questions. I absolutely love my bed. It's so comfortable and it's a great space to come back to at night. This is what my headboard looks like. I love my headboard, and this again was from my decorator. I love how it's white. I love the kind of style on the top, and then also the studs kind of add a lot. This is exactly what I wanted. And then I have 2 sleeping pillows, and then those 2 pillows I just sleep with as well. And then the front 2 were custom made by my decorator, and this pink color is so pretty. Again, my bed is very simple. I like it like that. I make it every single day, and then my bedspread was also custom made by my decorator as well. Then to the right of my bed, I have a floor lamp, and that is also from my decorator as well, and this just adds a lot more light into my room, especially at night. Next, I want to talk about my drapes. These are also a light pink color, and they go perfectly with the pillow that is on my bed, and these were also custom drapes by my decorator. On this small little section of wall right here, we have this gold frame with this really cute little print, and this is actually just from Target. I think it fits perfectly, and we needed something for this space, and we looked for a long time, and we just ended up finding this at Target, and it's one of my favorite pieces. Next to my print, I have my tall chest of drawers, and this was also custom made by my decorator, and this is something that I love because it has a lot of storage and the drawers are really deep, so I just have the 4 on top and then 2 on the bottom, and I also really like the knobs of it because it's silver detailing so you don't really notice it, and this fits perfectly into the corner of my room. Next to my chest of drawers, I have this little seating area. This chair has been in my room since I was really little. It was my great-grandmother's, and we actually had it reupholstered into this gray fabric with the piping in white, which I absolutely love, and I also love this little pillow. I think it's so sweet. I really liked how we repurposed this piece of furniture, and then it also always reminds me of my great-grandma, but it's just a little bit more updated, and it goes with the entire aesthetic of my room. It's also really comfortable, and I sit here a lot just doing work. And then next to that, we have this little side table, which is actually from Target. I love this. It has a marble top and then gold legs. I think it's the perfect size. On top of my nightstand, I keep it very simple, and you guys know how much I love flowers, so I have my Rose Forever white roses right here. These roses last up to a year, and I absolutely love it. It matches my room perfectly. And then next to this little seating area, I also have another set of these pink custom drapes, which I absolutely love. As you can see, they just kind of look like this. Behind my seating area, I have my closet, which we will get into in a moment, but to the right of that is where I have my whole desk area, which is another space in my room that I really enjoy working at, and it's super clean, minimalistic, so I always feel like I can get work done here. My desk is from Wayfair, and I love the way that it fits perfectly into this wall and this space. So the desk just has 1 drawer, which I personally like because it keeps all of my items super organized. And next, moving on to my chair, I absolutely love this piece in my room. It's so me. It is this bow chair, which we kind of hunted down for a long time, and I wanted an item to fit really nicely in my desk. It's kind of under understated, but it's still a statement piece. This is from Pottery Barn. I absolutely love it, and I think it goes perfectly with the whole space. And then behind my desk, we did something a little different, and we put this long mirror, which I think opens up the room a lot. And this is also from my decorator. That was her idea, and I absolutely love it. For some extra light in my room, we have my desk lamp, which is also from my decorator. I really like how simple it is, and again, it just provides some extra light in my room. And the only two things that I keep on my desk is this little calendar, which is from a local paper store, and then I also have my Van Cleef & Arpels candle, which I received when I got my necklace, and it's just white and silver, and I thought it went perfectly with my room. Sometimes I light it when I'm working on my homework because it smells so nice. And yeah, I really don't like a lot of clutter. I don't like a lot of things out on my desk, and this just allows me to have a really nice space to always come back to, and it allows me to stay focused. And then to the left of my desk, I just have my little white trash can, which I always like to keep in my room. Okay, now moving on to my closet. It's pretty simple. There is not much to it. This is what it looks like. I have built-ins, which is really nice for organizational purposes, and it really keeps my clothes separated well. And I just have my shoes right here, all kind of in these cubbies, and which I really like. And then I just have my dresses and jackets right there, and then sweaters and nicer tops. And I've had some time to go through my closet and organize things since being home. And then over to the left, I have my pants, which is really nice. And then right here, I just have this little dish with my everyday jewelry. This is from Jonathan Adler. I've had this forever. And then I just have this little Tiffany box. Then that's my everyday perfume, which is from Anthropologie, a little Gucci box for some decoration. This is my actual jewelry box. I will try and find it and leave it in the description box. I'm pretty sure it's just like Target or something, or somewhere online. And then I just have sweatshirts all in that right there, some extra books, and then this is just more storage with like bags, swimming suits, stuff like that. And then I just hang my robe right here, which is from Pottery Barn. I've talked about that before in a video. This is my closet. It's nothing crazy. I really like rotating clothes and keeping everything really organized at all times. And then this is my door, and I just have this full-length mirror, which I love for my outfits. I show this a lot in my vlogs, and yeah, that was the video. Also, I'm wearing this set today for being at home. This is from Ugg. I absolutely love it. It's just this black set. It's so comfortable and soft. It's so soft. I will find it and leave it in the description box for you guys. I love how it has this detailing too, as you can see on the sleeves, and then it kind of just cinches right in the middle. I don't know if you could tell because it is black, but I've been wearing this all day and I really like it. Alrighty friends, so that was my room tour. I hope you all enjoyed this video. My room is very simple and minimalistic. It doesn't really have a lot of moving parts to it, but I hope that this was still enjoyable for you all and I answered some questions that you may have. And I love posting all these videos so frequently for you guys. So I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye everyone!